Imagine dealing with a bird that could body slam you. Let's meet the world's most dangerous birds. First up, the cassowary. This Aussie bird is basically a living dinosaur with dagger-like claws. Get too close and it might karate kick you right out of the forest. Next, the ostrich. Sure, it can't fly, but it can sprint at 40 miles per hour and deliver a kick strong enough to break bones. Then there's the harpy eagle, with talons the size of grizzly bear claws. And don't forget the swooping, super territorial magpie. Those guys take Angry Bird to a whole new level. Bottom line, respect these fierce flyers and always birdwatch from a safe distance.
Love animals? Join our crew for wild fun every week. Like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell so you never miss our awesome animal videos.